it feel to treat me like you do when you lay your hands upon me and told me who you are? I thought I was mistaken. I thought I heard your word. Tell me how do I feel? Tell me how I feel? Those who came before me lived through their vocations, through the past until completion. Till you went away no more, and I still find it so hard to say what I need to say. But I'm quite sure that you tell me just how should I feel today. I see a harbor, like an shallow pain. But if it wasn't for your misfortune, I'd be heavenly person today. And I thought I was mistaken. I thought I heard you say, tell me how do I feel?